right, family and friends, we have passed our next inspection. Was our MEPS inspection, which is, now I can't remember what it is. I know it's electrical, plumbing, structural, and mechanical, I think. Something like that. Anyways, it was a big one. So we've got now all of our plumbing and electrical into the building. So we got our little electrical box back here now. We've got those things. I could probably tell you what everything is, but you probably don't care. But got water and gas all zoomed in here. We got lights up here in the eaves, on this eave, and this eave, and that eave. So those are lights. I don't know, do we have any over here? I don't even know. So much. Oh, and this eave. There we go. Yes. We've got more. We've got our stuff coming out here. I think we have one more water spigot way over here. Right there. So that is the outside. So we'll take you in the front door. So this is where our TV will go. We got plenty of support to hang our TV, and we got outlets to plug it in. Lots of outlets on the walls. So it looks pretty stinking awesome. Now you can see where the sink is here for the kitchen. It's crazy how all of this just runs through the walls. And then we've got our refrigerator, and our range will go here. You just can't really see it because the door's in the way. The front door is waiting to be installed. We're not there yet. And then this weird thing sticking out up here is going to be our AC and heating unit that attaches to the wall. So that's up there. And we also have one in the bedroom, which is, this is the bedroom. So yep, again, lots of support for TV. And yeah. And that's the other heating and air conditioning up there. It all gets piped through the ceiling up there and out somehow. There is a lot involved in all of this. It is a bit crazy. So this is the bathroom. We got all the plumbing for the sink, toilet, and then our shower with our little bench seat and our little niche. And that's the shower and the drain. All the things that we need for that. And then our walk-in closet, which will have our washer and dryer in it, all plumbed in there. So that is the basics. So another big tick for us. Another thing passed. We're very excited. It's getting closer and closer. So that's it, family. Until next time. Next is roof. See ya.